What's up, sweeties? It's Tamara, and today I'm doing a cooking video. I am making homemade meatball subs, meatball hoagies, whatever you want to call it. I have a green pepper, purple onion because I couldn't find yellow onions. Is my favorite. And I have to have onions, so we're going to use the purple onion. You got to use what you got to get with the flavor you want, honey. I got garlic, so I'm going to chop that stuff up. I have to cut this stuff extremely small because my kids don't eat this stuff. Alright, I got my green peppers cut. Same with the onions, I gotta cut them really small. Alright, I got my onions chopped up. Got all my stuff cut up. Now I'm gonna season this ground beef real quick. Don't ask me how much to put in here. This is onion powder. Don't ask me how much to put in here because I don't know. Season until you think it's enough. Smell it. I don't know. If you can cook, you can cook. If you can't, this ain't where I'm about to use on your teaspoon, tablespoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what you do. That was garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, Lowry's. I'm probably gonna season it some more. A little bit of smoked paprika. Complete. A little bit. Italian seasoning. Anybody got time for this? Ooh, I ain't trying to pop my nail off. Boom. Pepper. What else I got over here? Parsley flakes. Get fresh parsley if you want to get fresh parsley. You do, you do, you don't, you don't. Them onions got to me. They say if your eyes burn when you cut onions, you don't know how to cook, or you ain't been cooking long enough. That's a lie. All right, here's our seasonings. We're gonna put our onions, peppers, and garlic in there. Boom. Scrape the sides, getting all of mine. Worcestershire sauce. Okay. Boom. A little bit of mustard. Boom. Ketchup. 1, 2. You can make your own breadcrumbs if you want, but I'm going to use these panko breadcrumbs and some Italian breadcrumbs. Toasted bread, put it in the food processor. Homemade breadcrumbs. Now let's mix. All right, mix but don't over mix. Mix until everything is blended, stuck, and got a nice little bounce to it. Everything's blended, it feels nice and bouncy. Throw it down and pick it back up. That's how you want it. Meatloaf, just form it. The meatballs, just roll them up. I'm not using no ice cream scoop. Dig in there, roll the ball, call it a day. These gloves are in the way, but I'm not trying to get all this under my nail. See? Oven's preheated to 375. I'm gonna put mine in for about 20 minutes at first. Of course, it depends on the size of your meatball. Start placing these on my cookie sheet. Hey, sweeties, I was able to make 20 meatballs. Let's set them into the oven. Like I said, it depends on the size of the meatball, but I'm gonna start with about 20 minutes and go from there. If it's right in the middle, it ain't done in my opinion. I mean, some of y'all like to eat that bloody stuff, so that's up to you. All right, sweeties, let's check our meatballs. I gave them exactly 20 minutes. Done in the middle. Nice and soft and still juicy. And a nice crisp on the outside. Let's get our sauce ready. I'm gonna just doctor up some store-bought sauce. I'm gonna let the kids sample the meatballs before I put the sauce and everything. Come on here. Yeah! What? You like it? Yeah. because I always make this. They know. Yeah, okay. She'll be in it. Watch. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Girl, pick it up. Who else is back for more? Let's cut some fries and get this sauce on there. So I'm gonna show y'all my meatloaf up close. I mean my meatball. Ooh. Roasted garlic sauce with my cast iron. That sauce ain't bad. I'm gonna just add some pepper. And then I'm gonna let it go back in the oven for a little bit. For my hoagie roll, I'm gonna put some butter and smear it on there. Both sides. A little garlic powder. And parsley flakes. The Meatballs cheese air fryer. And same for the top. I love garlic. I fit 4 meatballs on one. Extra sauce on there. I'm gonna put some Colby Jack on here. And then I have some Parmesan cheese. I would normally use mozzarella, but this is what I got. And I want a lot of cheese on there.
There is a 50-cent coin in the United States called a $50. Do you know which president's face is on the $50 coin?
Put it in the air fryer. Right, here's my finished homemade meatball sandwich hoagie with fresh cut fries, salt, pepper, and we're about to dig in. So thank y'all for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe or follow for more content like this. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. The sweetest.